Step 1. Open a new sketch on the top plane to begin your design. Using the rectangle tool, sketch the base profile with dimensions 152.4 millimeters by 66.675 millimeters. Then extrude it to a height of 6.35 millimeters. Step 2. Open a new sketch on the top face of the solid body and draw a rectangle with dimensions 101.60 millimeters by 66.675 millimeters. Then, use the Extruded Boss sidearm base command to create a solid with a height of 88.9 millimeters. Step 3. Open a new sketch on the top face of the solid model we created. Using the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle with dimensions 82.55 millimeters by 53.975 millimeters. Use the Extruded Cut command to cut through 88.9 millimeters. Step 4. Using the Fillet command, apply a radius of 6.35 millimeters, 3.18 millimeters, and 3.81 millimeters to the corresponding edges. Step 5. Open a sketch on the front face of the solid model and draw a circle using the Circle tool. Set the distance between the circle's center and the top edge to 47.625 millimeters, and define the circle's diameter as 82.55 millimeters. Then, use the Extruded Boss Chopper U base command to create a solid with a height of 6.35 millimeters. Step 6. Open a sketch on the front face of the solid cylinder we created and draw a circle with a diameter of 57.15 millimeters. Then, use the Extruded Cut feature and select Up to Next as the end condition instead of Blind. In the End Condition section, choose Up to Next to control how far the cut extends. Step 7. Select the front plane and use the mirror command to mirror the desired feature or features. Once the front plane is selected, SolidWorks automatically recognizes it as the mirror plane. In the Features to Mirror section, select and confirm the features you want to mirror. Step 8. Open a sketch on the relevant face, draw a circle using the Circle command, set the distance from the top edge to 19.05 millimeters, and define the circle's diameter as 25.40 millimeters. Then, use the Extruded Boss base command to create a height of 12.70 millimeters. Step 9. Open a sketch on the flat surface of the cylinder we created. Then draw a circle with a diameter of 14.605 millimeters and set the maximum tolerance to 0.127 millimeters. Next, use the Extruded Cut command and set the end condition to up to next. Step 10. Next, perform the mirror operation as in Step 7, but this time using the right plane. Step 11. Open a sketch on the relevant face, use the Slot command to draw a slot, and enter the required dimensions. Then, use the Extruded Cut command and set the end condition to up to next. Step 12 to 13 to 14 to 15. To Step 12. You can duplicate the slots created with the Extruded Cut feature using either the linear pattern or mirror command. Continue watching our video for the next steps. Step 13. Up next, the Hole Wizard feature. Stay tuned. Step 14. Using the Fillet command, assign a radius of 3.18 millimeters to the edges of the cylinders. Step 15. Finally, apply the material. Cast alloy steel.